Yo, what's going on, guys? We back with a new day, teaching y'all how to rap on Pluggnb hype beats with a preset. So yeah, this whole song is about just homies getting rich. So hope y'all enjoy it. Okay, now we in FL. Basically, I'm gonna show y'all the song. You could get the preset right here, but right here, basically right here, preset right there. I'm gonna show y'all what the song sounds like. Show y'all my raw vocals, my auto-tune settings, and all of that. Yeah.
Go, ayy. We gon' be entertained. We gon' run in a bag.
That boy JDolla go
Yeah, I'm up again. Bitch, I got brothers, I ain't got no friends. We gon' get these bands, that's the fucking plan. We gon' run it up, yeah, we can. We gon' get rich, no more being broke. Bitch, I buy a car, bitch, I buy a boat. Buy a big ass house, I'ma get lost in this house. Yeah, I don't even know, yeah, where to go. Yeah, hold up, we gon' get this money, yeah, throw it up. Now got the bag, I don't give a fuck. I'ma roll up, yeah, another one. I get high, I don't give a fuck. Smoke 5 blunts, yeah, I'm stuck. Yeah, I got 5 grandma runs. Bitch, I'm rolling up another blunt. Yeah, I'm up again. Bitch, I got brothers, I ain't got no friends. We gon' get these bands, that's the fucking plan. We gon' run it up, yeah, we can. We gon' get rich, no more being broke. Bitch, I buy a car, bitch, I buy a boat. Buy a big ass house, I'ma get lost in this house. Yeah, I don't even know, yeah, where to go.
Y'all get the point. That's what it sounds like with the preset. Now I'm gonna show y'all what it sounds like with the raw vocals. No preset onto this. I'm gonna show y'all what it sounds.
We gon' be entertained. We gon' ride in a bag. Yeah, I'm up again. Bitch, I got brothers, I ain't got no friends. We gon' get these bands, that's the fucking plan. We gon' run it up, yeah.
Oh my
yeah,
God.
We gon' get rich. No more being broke. Bitch, I buy a car. Bitch, I buy a boat. Buy a big ass house. I'ma get lost in this house. Yeah, I don't even know, yeah, where to go. Yeah, hold up. We gon' get this money, yeah, throw it up. Now got the bag, I don't give a fuck.
But y'all get the point. That's what it sounds like with the raw. Now I'm gonna show y'all the auto-tune settings. Wait. Now with my auto-tune settings for my main vocal, this is the auto-tune setting for my main vocals. So for number 3 and 4, these are the same auto-tune settings. Boom. Copy that shit. That's my auto-tune settings for this. This is the preset for the auto-tune. I use retune speed of 14. Guys, a 20. Sounds good. So y'all could change that around if y'all want to. Yo, and just like that, it is the end of the video. Hope y'all enjoy. Hope y'all enjoy this video. Go check me out. Check out my song. Check out my SoundCloud. Yeah, more videos on the way. Let's get it. Let's run it up. We gon' all eat.
Go, ayy. We gon' be entertained. We gon' ride in a bag.
That boy JDolla go
Yeah, I'm up again. Bitch, I got brothers, I ain't got no friends. We gon' get these bands, that's the fucking plan.